human ingenuity, clever, inventive, original thinking, and challenge-driven leadership. Here's the problem. We don't know how to think anymore. Our math teachers have taught, start up here. Start with a formula. Show your work. Linear down, linear up. What happens if there's a break? If there's incomplete information? We don't know how to react. We've never been taught that before. It's really not part of our curriculum or most leadership training. If you've never thought differently or put yourself in a position to think differently, you can't learn it. If you don't practice solving or resolving, in this case, wicked challenges, how can you be expected to do so? The good thing is, it can be a learned skill if you want to. Number one, embrace the uncertainty and ambiguity. Things are always changing just a little bit, so you can never quite solve it, but you can find a resolution. That is what a wicked challenge is. You're not going to come up with a finite solution, but you can certainly talk it through and come up with a strong action plan. You've got to learn to find the path through the scatter. We need to start learning how to unravel the boxes, loosen the chains, because it's not about thinking outside of the box. It's just having the audacity to understand that there never was one.
I think the quote that really resonated with me today was something that Ken said. He said, "There are no brick walls, only sledgehammers."
I've never seen Ken perform live, and watching the way that he communicated to the audience was just spectacular.
And that to me is the core of applying ingenious thinking, applying clever, inventive, and original thinking, and find your path to a resolution. So welcome to a day of thinking differently.